for P405, our system analysis. Okay, so ito ang first topic natin, no? Introduction to phasors. Okay. Introduction to phasors. A phasor is a rotating line whose projection on the vertical axis can be used to represent sinusoidally varying quantities. Okay, ang ibig sabihin ng phasors class, from sinusoidal varying quantities, we can convert sinusoidal into phasors. For example, no, right? So we can convert sine wave, sinusoidal, no, or sine wave, sinusoidal varying quantities. Okay, we can convert, no? We can convert sinusoidal varying quantities to what? To phasors. Pwede natin i-convert yan, no? Kasi mas mabilis or mas madali mag-solve using phasors. Okay? So, for example, no? For example, sinusoidal varying quantities, let's say meron tayong current. Let's say meron tayong current I, di ba? Ano ba ang equation ng sinusoidal current or varying quantities, sinusoidal varying quantities for current or instantaneous current, that is actually maximum, no? Maximum current times sine Wt, di ba? Plus the shifted angles. Okay? So, pwede natin i-convert ito yung gawing phasors. Mas mabilis, mas madali magtrabaho pag gamit class ang phasors kasi meron siya sa calculator. Okay? So, our current I is equals to Im angle theta. Okay? So, ang Im natin dito sa sinusoidal current, maximum current, okay? Yung W natin is actually angular velocity, then times the time, no? And then plus theta, this is actually shifted angles. So we can convert this sinusoidal current into phasors, which is equals to Im angle theta. Ito yung theta natin. Okay? So, pag i-graph natin ito class, dito muna tayo. For example, we have current I, sinusoidal current I, let's say 5 sine, alright, Wt plus 20 degrees ampere. So the equivalent phasor for the given sinusoidal current, which is 5, which is 5 sine Wt plus 20 degrees is equals to, of course, dapat capital letter I, which is equals to 5 angle 20 degrees ampere. Okay? So, mas mabilis mag-solve class pag gamit ang phasors. Again, we can convert sinusoidal varying quantities into phasors. So, ito ang conversion niya. Okay? But anyways, no, pareho lang ang equation ng current pati voltage. So, if you try to graph this one, i-graph natin ang sine wave. Yan. Okay, so plus 20 degrees. So, ibig sabihin nakaabante ito class ng 20 degrees. Paano natin mag-graph na nakaabante siya ng 20 degrees? So, ganito, no? Oh, sorry. Ito siya. Ayan. So, this one is your 20 degrees. 20 degrees ito, no? 20 degrees yan. So, pag i-graph natin, ito ang sine wave. So, pag using phasor, okay, using phasor, magiging ganito siya. Ayan. Ayan, sir. T? Oh, ito po. Isang kampung tama Saudi. Ah, kanang lukaw ro ta kampung mo Saudi. Alright. So okay. Sana. We can convert sine wave dito, no? Sine wave ito. Then convert natin into phasor. Again, no, mas mabilis, mas madali magtrabaho, mas madali mag-solve using phasor. So, nakaabante siya ng 20 degree. We can graph this one. Saan ba yan? Gamitan natin yellow, no? This one. That is 20 degree. Okay? 20 degree. So, ito ang phasor. Ito ang phasor, then ito ang sine wave. Okay? So, of course, pag zero, for example, no, class, for example, meron tayong current I, palitan ko ng color. Meron tayong current I, let's say 5, again, sine, no? Sine WT plus 0 degrees. We can rewrite this one into, let's say may ganyan, no? So, convert, let's say amperes. I-convert natin into phasor, it will be I 5 angle 0 degrees. Okay? Ampere. Ayan. So, if you going to graph this one, pag i-graph natin yan, magiging, then sine wave, so 0, no? Ibig sabihin, yan, start siya sa 0. Okay, and then ang phasor niya, ganito. I will use black. Okay, so I equals 5 angle 0 degrees. So ito ang equivalent phasor na class. Okay, but since 0 ito, you can rewrite this one, no? You can rewrite this one into 5 sine WT. Okay, sine WT. Again, ano ang ibig sabihin ng W? I-define natin ang W. Actually, W is angular velocity, no? Ang ibig sabihin ng W is angular velocity. Measured in what? Again, measured in, actually, ang ibig sabihin ng angular velocity is angle, no? Over time t. Or W is equals to theta alpha over t. So ano ba ang units ng angular velocity? O pwede degrees per second, or pwede radian per second. Again, ang degrees at saka radian, yan class ay unit ng angles, no? Pag makikita tayo ng degrees, that is angle. Then radian is also angles. Okay? So again, ano ba ang conversion factor? Dapat memorize natin, no? Pag electrical engineering tayo, 360 degrees, ako ng black, 360 degrees is equals to 2 pi radian. Okay, one revolution, one cycle, that is 360 degrees, that is equivalent to 2 pi radian. Again, dalawang klaseng unit ng angle. One is degrees, and the other one is radian. Pareho lang yan. They are representing angles. Okay? Now, my question is, ano ang ibig sabihin ng WT? Ano ibig sabihin ng WT? That is actually, hindi na siya angular velocity, that is angle, di ba? Kasi ang ibig sabihin ng W measures in degrees per second, then times t seconds, we can cancel out, so the answer is degrees. So degrees, that is actually angles. Okay? So angles. Pero again, no? Formula for sinusoidal equation for voltage and current, they are just the same. For current, for current, no, that is actually I equals maximum current sine WT plus the shifted angles, and then voltage E, maximum voltage sine WT plus the shifted angles. O pag nakabante siya, plus pag plus and minus, no, actually plus and minus yan. Yeah. Okay, so amperes, then volts. Okay, so yan, pareho lang, no? So pag gawin natin ito, convert natin into phasor. Pag i-convert natin class into phasor, this will be I, no, maximum. Pwede rin actually RMS, no, angle theta, and then EM angle theta. So this one is sine wave, and then sinusoidal equation tawag nito, then this one is phasor. Okay, so again, mas mabilis, mas madali ang magtrabaho gamit ang phasor. Okay, next is example 15-15. Draw the phasor and the waveform for current I equals, yan, no? Current I equals 25 sine WT milliamperes. Okay, so given ang sine wave natin, no? Current, ano yan? Given ang sinusoidal current natin, 25 sine WT, sine WT milliamperes. Okay? Yeah, so given yung current natin, no? I equals 25 sine WT milliamperes is actually, ganito siya, no? I-rewrite natin ito. That is actually 25 sine WT plus 0 degrees. Okay, so we have to draw the phasor and the waveform. So ano bang equivalent phasor nito, class? This is actually I, which is, this is what, 25 angle 0 milliamperes. Okay, pop up siya. And then how will you draw the phasor for this sinusoidal sinusoidal current? To draw natin, gawa tayo ng X and Y. Alright, so this one, so current, no? So we will denote this one as current I, and of course, for phasor, sulat natin muna phasor, no? For phasor, this is your current I. Okay, so 0 degrees, 25 angle 0 degrees. So ibig sabihin, nandito, class, ang current I, which is 25 angle 0 milliamperes. Okay, so ang current I dito, class, is naka milliamperes. And then how will you solve for the sine wave? So ang equivalent, sir, sige sir, ayan sir, atin na pala. Okay, so for sine wave, sulat natin muna, no? For sine wave, sinusoidal waveform, paano ba siya? Okay, draw, and then so, no, kasi start siya sa, ang shifted angles is 0, so nakaganon siya. Okay, and then this one is actually, ayan, ang horizontal axis is current, and then ang vertical is actually ang vertical class is current, then ang horizontal is angle. Okay, measured in degrees. Okay, so since angle ito, we denote this one as alpha, no, which is equals to Wt. Okay, W is angular velocity. Okay, so yan ang equivalent sine wave. Okay, so ang maximum niya class dito is how much? That is 25. Diba? Maximum. And then the same thing dito, this is also negative 25 milliamperes. Okay, so ano pa? Okay, so may binigay dito na frequency F. Ano bang tanong? Draw the phasor and waveform. So meron na tayong phasor. Ito na siya. Okay, ito na ang phasor niya. And then waveform, this one. Okay, so may binigay dito class na F. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng F? That is frequency. Which is how much? Which is how much? Your F is 100 Hertz. Diba? So since our sinusoidal current, which is 25 sine Wt plus 0 degrees, okay, so pwede natin milliamperes, no, pwede natin i-rewrite ito class, substitute natin ang value ng W, kukunin natin ang value ng W, actually W, that is angular velocity, 2 pi f. Okay, our W or angular velocity is equals to 2 pi f. So we will just convert Hertz into angular velocity. So we will use the equation W is equals to 2 pi f. Actually, conversion lang ito class, no? 2 pi, then 100 Hertz. How much? We'll use calculator. Two pi. Ano yun? 2 pi times 100 f. 100, no? 2 pi times 100 equals 628.32. Your angular velocity is 628 point not 0.32. What is the unit? Degrees radian per second. Okay, the unit is radian per second. So right, so our sinusoidal current equation is equals to, ito right lang na natin, no? I 25 sine W. What is our W? 628.32 Wt, no? Plus 0 degrees milliamperes, or I is equals to 25 sine, okay, sine 628.32 T milliamperes. But the question class is just to draw the phasor and the waveform. Okay, okay, this is your phasor and then this is your waveform. Okay, next example. Okay, so next topic na, next subtopic is shifted sine waves. Shifted sine waves. Makikita natin class, current, to. Ang example ito ay current. Current, no, is equals to, if you look at this figure class, diba? This one is phasor. This one is phasor and this one is waveform. Diba? So makikita mo sa phasor certain positive theta, no? Kasi clockwise ang counterclockwise positive. Again, no, I will explain. Ang counting class, pag ganon ang counting mo, it will be positive theta or positive angles. Pag clockwise ang counting mo, that is negative angles or negative theta. So if you look at this one, so we will use counterclockwise direction, so ibig sabihin that is positive theta. Okay, so eto man ang 0, so eto ang equivalent waveform niya, which is nakaabante siya, no? Instead ano ba yan? instead dito siya nag-start class dito sa 00 na nakaabante siya ng certain value ng theta, dito siya nag-start. So dito siya nag-start, no? Dito nag-start. Punta dito, and so again, this one class is one revolution or one cycle, no? For example lang, para maintindihan, ito natin gagawin, no? Para maintindihan yan. Okay. So, pag ganito class, dyan siya mag-start. Sorry. Pag ganito, dito siya mag-start. That is actually, if that is current, this is current I. Pag current I ito class, so your I is equals to I max, no? Sine WT plus 0 degrees. Okay, kasi nag-start siya dito sa 0. Okay, so pag nag-start siya dito, another example, no? Pag naging ganito ang waveform, no? Pag ganito ang waveform, let's say, abante siya. So there is a value na certain theta dito, abante siya. So if this one is your current I, so your sinusoidal current is equals to I max, di ba? Sine WT plus theta. Okay, so actually the same lang pati current, no? So ito lang ang example natin ay the same lang pati voltage. Okay, so dito example lang natin ay current I. And then let's say another example, no? Pag dito siya nag-start, pag dito nag-start class, ayan, so parang na-late siya, no? Na certain angles, instead dito siya nag-start, banda dito siya nag-start. Yeah, that is one cycle. So ibig sabihin, your current I is I max sine WT minus theta. Okay, ayan, no? And then ang equivalent ng phasor diagram niya dito, or this one, nag-start siya sa 0. So ang equivalent phasor diagram niya is this one, no? Equivalent phasor, this one. Yeah, this one, equivalent phasor niya. And then another one, ito dito. So ang equivalent phasor niya dito class, abante siya ng certain degrees theta. Yan ang equivalent phasor niya. Then dito, and so ang equivalent phasor niya is this one. Okay, na-late siya, no? Yan. That's certain theta. Okay. So, for example, diba? Okay, consider 15 to 16. Consider V equals 20 sine WT minus, so, meron tayong V, no? 20 sine WT minus 60 degrees. Okay, and then meron tayong given na W, which is equals to pi over 6. That is actually radian per second, or equivalent to, may binigay siya na equivalent to 30 degrees per seconds. Show, ang record dito class is we have to show the phasor in figure, no? Represent this waveform. Okay, so how will you convert this sinusoidal voltage, which is 20 sine WT minus 60 degrees. So you will convert to phasor That is actually, oops, capital letter B, 20, angle negative 60 degrees. Okay, negative 60 degrees. So, pag i-graph natin ito, class, pag i-graph natin ang phasor, no? Pag i-graph natin ang phasor, yan. So, banda dito, class, kasi negative, no? Negative. Ibig sabihin, ang counting ng angles mo is clockwise direction. So, dito ang V mo, which is 20, angle negative 6, or 60 na lang, no? Kasi 20 angle 60, pero dapat dito, yan, sa 60 degrees. Yan ang counting niya, count clockwise direction. So, negative angles, negative 60. Okay. And then, ang equivalent, pag draw natin naman, ang kanyang sine wave or waveform, magiging ganito. Diba? Ayan. And then, negative, no? Negative 60. So, hindi dyan nag-start, no? Pag negative 60. Kasi dyan, positive angles yan. So, dapat negative. Ito, dyan, pag 0, no? 0 pag dyan. So, negative 60. Let's say, for example, ayan. So, nandito ang, dito is 60 degrees. Okay. And then, ang maximum niya is 20. This one is also negative 20 volts. Okay. So, if you look at the solution, pwede ba ito? Ayan, no? Okay. So, makikita natin ang this one is sorry. Pwede ba natin ito i-move? Palitin lang, no? And then we try to move dun sa taas. Okay. Ayan, no? This is your phasor diagram. So, ang vertical is your voltage, and then horizontal is your angle. Ito mag-start siya. J, no? J siya. Then 20 actually, class, no? This is actually your voltage B is 20 angle negative 60 degrees. This one is phasor. So, ito na siya, class, no? Ayan. So, negative 60. So, ang counting ng negative 60 is clockwise. No? Clockwise. So, sa baba siya. Negative 60. And then, for sine waveform, so, since negative 60, so, hindi siya dito, no? Dito, 0 siya, no? Banda dito, positive. So, negative 60, dapat dito siya mag-start papunta dyan. Diba? So, negative 60. So, kung negative 60, class, dito, ano dito? This one. Diba? That is actually 180 plus another 180. That is 360. So, kung nag-start tayo sa 00, ibig sabihin, this one is 180. So, nag-start man tayo sa 60. So, ano dito, class? So, that is actually 60. 60 plus 180. How much? That is 240. Diba? So, dito. Ano dito, class? That is one cycle on dito nag-start 60, then 240 plus another 180. How much? Or actually 60 plus 360. So that is one cycle. That is 420 degrees. Okay. Next example. With the aid of phasor. Sabi dito, with the aid of phasor, sketch the waveform for V equals Vm sine WT plus 90 degrees. So we have to sketch the waveform. Ang required dito, class, is sketch the waveform for V voltage, which is V equals Vm maximum sine and what? WT plus 90 degrees. Okay. So, ito ang sinusoidal voltage. So, ano ba ang phasor? Equivalent phasor niya, class? So, ang equivalent phasor niya is V equals, of course, Vm angle 90 degrees. So, saan ba, class? Ito sa diagram natin or sa horizontal and vertical axis natin. Okay, so, draw natin. Phasor, no? So, 90 degrees, dapat ang counting kasi positive 9, sorry. Positive 90, dapat ang counting natin clockwise direction. So, counterclockwise. So, ang counting natin gano'n, no? Kasi positive 90 degrees. So, banda saan? Okay, nandito, class, di ba? Nandito ang alin? Nandito ang VM, which is yan, angle 90 degrees. So, yan ang phasor. And then, ano ang kanyang equivalent na sinusoidal waveform? Draw again, horizontal and vertical. So, abante siya, class, abante ng 90 degrees. O dapat, di ba? Mga ganon siya. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Sorry. Hirap naman mag-draw, no? O, yan. Okay, so, if this one is 90, diba? And then, negative, positive, no? Yan. So, one is 90 degrees. So, ang graph na to, yan, class, ay V equals Vm sine WT plus 90 degrees volts. Okay. So, yan, no? Or, pwede natin i-rewrite ito gamit ang cosine. Actually, class, ganito siya, no? Yan. Okay, so ang reference natin, this one will be positive sine. Dito, class, is positive cosine, negative sine, negative cosine. So, dapat tandaan nyo, no? Ito ay positive sine. Dito is positive cosine, negative sine, negative cosine. Okay, so since ang VM natin, ang V natin, ano ba yung, di ba, given is V equals Vm sine WT plus 90 degrees. Pag convert natin into phasor, Vm angle 90 degrees. So, ipag i-draw natin, class, yan sa phasor diagram, magiging saan ba siya? Of course, dito, no? Dito ang yan, dito siya. Yan ang VM angle 90. Okay, so ano ba dito, class? This is actually positive cosine or plus 90. So, you can rewrite, diba, supposedly Vm sine WT plus 90 degrees, you can rewrite this one as B, diba, dito siya. So, positive cosine Vm cosine WT plus 0 degrees. Okay? Or, this is actually Vm positive cosine WT. Alright? Pag ganito ang counting mo, pwede rin dito ang counting natin. So, you can also rewrite this one. Pag dito ang counting natin, ang reference natin ay ang reference natin, plus, ay positive sign. Dito tayo nag-start, di ba? Papunta doon. So, you can rewrite your V, of course, Vm sine WT, ano bang, that is actually clockwise, so negative what? Negative 270 degrees. They are just the same, no? 1, 2, and 3 are just the same. Right? Or pwede din kung ang reference natin dito, ito ang reference, sabi. Pag nandito class ang reference, for example, ito ang reference, that is actually negative sign, di ba? Tandaan nyo, negative sign. So your V, sorry. Yan ang reference natin, negative sign. Your V is equals to negative. And then ganito, no? Negative siya, no? Ang counting natin dito class, nag-start tayo sa negative sign. Kasi ito positive. Ito positive cosine. Ito negative sign. Dito negative cosine. Dito positive sign. So dito tayo nag-counting natin. Ang reference natin sa negative sign, that is actually negative Vm, diba? Sine Wt. Pag clockwise, that is negative 90. Can you follow? Clockwise. Okay, clockwise na, no? Or pwede din, ang reference natin is negative. Dito ang reference, no? Dito ang reference natin, negative sign. So, negative Vm sine Wt. Tapos, ang counting natin papunta doon. That is counter. Diba? Counterclockwise. That is how much? Plus 270 degrees. So, depende yun. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are just the same. Okay, so thank you for watching.